Cloudflare to InfinityFree. Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to connect Cloudflare to InfinityFree. So let's get started. First, create or log into your Cloudflare account. For this, go to their website. Then step number 2, add your domain. For this, click add site into your account. Then enter your custom domain and continue through the setup steps. Once done, you have to update your name servers. For this, go to your domain registrar and replace the existing name servers with the two Cloudflare name servers provided. Remove any other name servers, then return to Cloudflare and click check. Now, in step number 4, get your IP address from InfinityFree. For this, log into infinityfree.com, open your hosting account, and copy the server IP address shown on the control panel. Now, in step number 5, add DNS records in Cloudflare's. For this, go to the DNS section in Cloudflare and add two A records. Record 1, first enter the type, then name, and then content. Now, record number 2, type A, then name, and then after content, paste the same IP you have pasted in record 1. Now, make sure the orange cloud is enabled for both records. And that's all. That's how you will be able to switch from Cloudflare to InfinityFree.